Never waste no time, never let you go. I'ma be like Usher, give it to you nice and slow. All the girls around the world got nothing on you. You know you got it, girl. You got it. I want you to follow me, follow me, follow me.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, yes, I do call all of my subscribers kings and queens. I call them kings and queens, and let me not. I call my family kings and queens because we are royalty and we should be addressed as none other than such. Point blank, period. Okay? Point blank, period. Megan the Stallion.
Megan the Stallion.
I definitely just wanted to get ready and like take pictures to show you guys like my go-to look, my go-to like updated everyday makeup look. I don't do this type of makeup every day, but this is like my go-to look when I'm taking pictures, when I'm going to brunch, when I'm going to parties. Like I don't like to do too much, so I do this look. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys want to see more about this hair and the makeup, then y'all just keep on watching. So it's been a good 2 weeks. Okay, like a lot has been going on. I found out, your girl found out that she was allergic to shellfish. I've been eating shrimp all my life, shrimp Alfredo, everything, all of that. And now that I found out that I cannot eat that stuff no more, I was like, ain't this some bull? I digress, life goes on and it's okay. I took Benadryl before I even ate it the second time. Yesterday I ate shrimp for the second time because I was trying to see, like, let me test the waters. Let me see if I'll get sick again, or sick again. Let me see if this reaction will flare up and see if I'm really allergic to shellfish. I'm a dumbass. This is what happened. Yeah, it's a no-go. I am not going to be eating shrimp, like, no more, because I'm scared. I'm gonna wait till after my birthday, because my birthday month, I gotta have good skin. I told my friends I gotta have clear skin all month in August. I'm coming down from the swelling because this is literally the same day that I'm filming this. So tired of feeling ugly just sitting in my bed on my phone watching other people get cute on YouTube. I was like, let me go ahead and get cute on YouTube because I haven't seen y'all in a long time. I haven't done a get ready with me in a long time. So that is what I'm gonna be doing today. This video today was sponsored by BLY Hair. I installed it yesterday, last night. I'll be showing you guys how I fix the hair and like my edges and stuff like that. Don't make fun of my lace because I already know my lace is gonna be like saying hello, hi, welcome. I know my lace is gonna be screaming at y'all, so don't come for me. You know, when I put my makeup on, it'll come together. It's just like, it literally is matched to my makeup and not my actual skin. So first and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my hair. So I think I already did my edges. If I have to retouch on my edges, I'm gonna be using this Arcani Coil Care. Girl, focus. Arcani Coil Care Edge Control. Girl, y'all didn't tell me my face was ashy. It's the rash. It's the rash around my eyes. CeraVe. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and like start my hair first, and I will be doing it sped up. So yeah, so y'all don't have to hear me talk about it. I just want to listen to music, let's be honest. And real quick, the hair details will be on the screen so you guys can see like the inches of the hair. It'll be on the screen while I'm styling my hair. Listen to the filler YouTube music for a little bit and I'll be right back to talk.
I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of me, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, roll with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you. Always thinking of me, baby, 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 baby. can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so foreign, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine.
You guys, so I am done flat ironing this hair. Now this hair flat irons very, very well, as you guys can see. Like, there's a lot of luster and shine and body to this. Only thing I do not like that I'm seeing with this hair is that it sheds like literally every time I touch it. It's not like a terrible amount of shedding, but I wish it would just dial it down a little bit. Like just hold on to the lace, hold on to the lace for a little bit longer. Okay, I think I also want to go back and plug right here because I don't really like how it's giving me helmet. I wish the hair was a little thicker as well, but it gets the job done. Now we're gonna move on to the makeup because I'm tired of looking busted and I'm tired of my lace saying hello to y'all. Today's makeup look, I didn't really know what I was going for. This is like the look that I do for like when I get ready, when I'm basically gonna go ahead and take pictures. So like basically I'm gonna do like my updated everyday glam look. This is just what I do when I want to take pictures and look cute. I already have an eyebrow tutorial, so I'm gonna link it up. It's my 2020 eyebrow tutorial. Y'all go ahead and check it out and give it a few views. You know, share it to your friend, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your mammy. I'm gonna go ahead and come back. You guys, so I am back from doing my eyebrows. They're in place, they're in motion. Off camera I went ahead and primed my face with this primer. Honestly, I don't really know what this primer be doing. I don't really think it do nothing honestly, but it's the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. So this type of look I like to make sure that my makeup don't really go nowhere. So I'll take my Real Techniques brush and then like a setting powder. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution setting powder in Banana Deep. It's very affordable. But what I like to do before I put any like concealer on my face, I do not wear foundation anymore. Y'all already know that. Unless I'm doing like a full glam, full beat type of look, you'll not see me putting on foundation. I like to put on some powder before my concealer. I look crazy, but it really does help. And I think I'm gonna start using this one. I've been using Sasha, and like my makeup be sliding. Like, then again, I do be standing out in the sun a lot, taking pictures and stuff. So but I just feel like powder before your liquid makeup, it really does make a difference for your skin. This is something I really probably shouldn't do because so what's the stitch? I'm kidding, I'm gonna put my phone on silent, y'all. Father, can you hear me? I'm calling on your name. Now that I look very dry, very crusty, very ashy, like my lace, I'm gonna go. Yeah, this is a fun channel. We like to like make fun of ourselves, and it's perfectly fine. You can make fun of yourself.
This is real, this is me.
I'm gonna be using the concealer that I use for my eyebrows, so the Beautiful Bronze shade, and I like to use this like all over my face. So I like to typically go underneath my eyes. Hopefully this does not irritate my allergic reaction because I still got the rash, a little bit of it. I just didn't want to be ugly, so and it's this side, so hopefully it don't burn or anything. I'm gonna cry if it burns. I'm gonna cry if it burns. It's not burning, thank God. Only thing I wish I would change, I would wear no makeup all day every day 24/7, but like literally, like I just look sick without concealer on my eye, underneath my eyes. I was just born with dark circles, y'all, so it's okay. So we're gonna go down the bridge of my nose. I look very crazy, but I just take a little bit and put it above my lip, just like this, just a little bit. These are the only places I will apply the concealer, and I'm just gonna go in with my sponge I got from e.l.f. And blend everything out. Now that my concealer is all blended out, I'm gonna go back in with the Makeup Revolution setting powder, and I'm going to set the areas that I just applied the concealer to, and I blow off like all the excess. You don't want too much. Go ahead and look up Wow, this is really settling into my rash. Hopefully I can like fix that with like eyeshadow. So yeah, I have this side. I just applied the powder like a little bit on my forehead, underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and on top of my lip. That's it. I'm not gonna put it anywhere else. So yeah, now I'm gonna go back into like my eyes because we're gonna do like eyeshadow right now. What I do is just go back in with like my beautiful bronze, like the shade that I used for putting all over my face for the concealer, and I just kind of pat it on top of my lids, and then I'm gonna blend it out. It really is a good tip to put eyeshadow on like freshly blended out concealer and not like set the concealer then put eyeshadow on, because it just washes out the color of your eyeshadow. To achieve like my natural looks, I usually use the Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Warrior 2 palette, and I go in with the shade Kufuru, which is like this brown shade in the middle. I just go in and I apply it, like stamp it on all on top of my eyelid, and I'm also going to blend it with Yodit, which is a nice like milky brown kind of color. I'm basically gonna go ahead and like dust off all of this powder because I'm looking very dry. This is the Real Techniques brush. This is the Expert Face brush. Now I'm gonna go in to bring my color back. Products I like to use to basically like bring my color back, you already know, it's the Fenty Beauty bronzers. I use this as a face powder and then an actual bronzer. I use Coco Naughty. To actually bronze with the product, I use Mocha Mommy. What I do is like to put the bronzer on first. This is the Mocha Mommy shade, and I just give myself a little brush like this. I'll go in and I basically like, you know, bronze those areas in my face. You see, it just gave me a nice little bronze. This one definitely has a red undertone to it. I also go in like, this is what I meant by like when I put my makeup on, you can like disguise the lace better. So like I can just apply the bronzer to those areas. I'm running out of this powder, but like y'all let me know in the comments down below, what's your favorite like face setting powder? Because I love Fenty, but I'm not gonna buy it all the time. Like I want to find a new one that I like, and I seen some people doing some like reviews on, I don't know if it was NYX, I don't know what brand it was, but it was for like, you know, women of color, and they were doing like they had like new powders and stuff like that, new bronzers or something. They use Jamada from this palette. This palette is literally used for like everything for my face, and I'm gonna use it as my blusher. Just a little on the apples of my cheeks. It is a very, very pretty pigmented, nice like red shade. So it gives me that nice color that I need on top of like the bronzer and contour and all that stuff. I'm gonna put some eyeshadow on like my lower lash line. So I use Kufuru, Jamata, and Yodit. Put it on my lower lash line. Moving on to highlight, I love my Milani strobe light, period. I'm sorry, this is like my favorite highlighter. I'm just gonna add some lip liner. This is the same eyeliner pencil that I use for my eyebrows. This is the Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner pencil in the shade Cinnamon Brown. Now I'm gonna put y'all onto a new lip gloss company. She's based here in Orlando. The sweetest girl ever, oh my god, and she's so gorgeous. So yeah, I'm gonna have her company on the screen for y'all to check out and follow and subscribe for y'all to check out and follow her business page. She's amazing, her products are amazing. She's coming out with so many different products, and I just love her lip glosses, y'all. I had to go and make sure that I had to use and support her brand, because period. And she's black owned. I absolutely love this. Like, oh my god, y'all, look at this. And this one smells so good. So good. It smells so good. All right, you guys, so we are almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and get my lashes so we can finish off this look. I got the lashes. I did steal these from my sister. Hopefully she don't find it. So I think she got this from AliExpress. I'm not sure, but you can find lashes like this like anywhere in the beauty supply store. Like they look just like this, and I'm gonna put these things on and feel really, really cute. So let's go. I could do this every day. Go ahead and spray my face with this oil control toner from, I got this from what, D&D's Ross? I got it from DD's discounts, and it was like $4.99, and I just use it to like set. I don't ever use like setting spray, I just use these, and it just makes my skin like glow. Just cover the lace. All right, you guys, so I'll be right back to close out this video. So you guys have made it to the end of this video. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all for watching my Get Ready With Me. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope, you know, I was able to make you laugh at some point, you know, have fun. And yeah, so I'm getting ready to go nowhere, obviously. No, but yeah, I'm just gonna go take pictures and stuff like that. But honestly, oh, if y'all want to see the fit I have on, it's from Forever 21. It's just a simple yellow dress, got like a button up type of thing going on, a button all the way like that. I just want to thank y'all for watching this video all the way through. You're a real one. I appreciate you guys so much. A big shout out to BLY Hair for sponsoring this video. Definitely go check out the link to this wig in the description box, and of course their other hairstyles that they have. I love each and every one of you guys, and I will see you in my next video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. I love you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.